All right, we are back, and our next experiment's going to be a lot of fun. The fun name is Orbs or Orbeez or Ghost Crystals. The scientific name is a little bit more complicated. It is called cross-linked polyacrylamide copolymer gel. Say that 5 times fast. And it's a lot of fun to make these. So you're going to need some water, and you will see a tube in your box of these colorful little circles. Okay, some of you might have recognized these because they were very, very popular a few years ago and sold as something called Orbeez. And now I've seen them in many different names, including jelly beads, clear spheres, orbs, and a few other names. So anyway, what we're going to do, this one is kind of like an experiment that you do it, then you kind of put it away and you come back and you check on it every so often. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll give you some time to maybe come up with your own ideas for it as well. You're going to need one of the larger cups with lids for this experiment that's in your box. Okay. Or if you would like to try a bigger glass that you might have, that's fine too. They kind of grow to the size of the container that you use. So I'm going to take this cup. I'm going to fill it about 3/4 of the way with water. Okay, then I'm going to take my little tube of orbs and ghost crystals. Okay, orbs would be the colored spheres, and the ghost crystals are clear inside there. And when the ghost crystals are in the water, they are almost invisible. That's why they're called ghost crystals. And now you're going to just place a little pour, maybe about 1/4 of your tube or so in there, or whatever amount you desire. And then you can put the cap on it, and you'll have more for later to experiment with and come up with your own ideas with. Now, what's going on here? I don't see it doing anything. Is this a chemical reaction? Is it a physical change? What's going on here? If you took one of these little orbs or one of these little spheres and put it under a high-powered microscope that took it and enlarged it all the way to the molecular level, you would see long chains of molecules in there joined together, which form a polymer. And this polymer is very special. It absorbs water through something called osmosis. Now, what is it used for? Well, polymers like this are used for lots of different things that require the absorption of water. They make gardens without soil. They use these in areas that do not get a lot of rain, and the super absorbent polymers are used in drought conditions so that it absorbs that water when it does rain. Okay, the polymer holds water until plants or crops need it, and then it releases the water to the roots of the plants. Now, what else about polymers? The first polymer was only invented in the year 1909. And since that time, it's become the fastest growing field of chemistry.